This is how you can receive payments with Wise Money Transfer. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is log into your account. So I'm just going to tap my screen. I'm approving that. So here you can see that I have 3 different accounts: the US account, the Canadian account, and the British pound account. So in order to receive payments, you need to provide the account details to who you want to send you money. So for example, if we go on the US account here, and then here you're going to select this number that you see on the screen. And here you'll be provided with the account details. So you're going to see your account name, ACH or wire transfer number, the account type, as well as the address for Wise. Now that is for local, like just US to US, right? Also, you have companies that are not necessarily based in the United States, but they'll ask you for the ACH and routing number. However, for global payments, you can select Global Swift, and here you'll see the account number that you should use, which is a little bit different, and the Swift code that you should provide. Now for wire transfers, it may take 4 to 5 working days before the money is added to your account, and there'll be a fee of $4.14 USD to receive that wire transfer. On the Canadian account, it will be pretty much the same. So if we select the Canadian account, select the account number. Now for Canadian banks, they use institution number and transit number. So as you can see, that's my institution number, that's my transit number, and the address that you. Now for global payments, you can't accept global payments with the Canadian account. However, you can do that with the Wise account. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.